In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check spelling and grammar in Microsoft Word using its built-in tools. First, you'll want to access your Microsoft Word document. Once you've opened your file, you may notice some red and blue underlines scattered throughout your text. These are indicators designed to help you identify potential spelling and grammar errors within your document. Word is quite savvy when it comes to spotting these issues, so it automatically highlights misspelled words with a red wavy underline, while grammar issues often appear with a blue double underline. Once you've noticed these underlined sections, the next step involves some simple right-clicking. By right-clicking directly on any word or phrase that appears underlined, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu doesn't just point out what's wrong, but also offers you suggested corrections. This feature functions almost like having a digital proofreader at your fingertips, offering you the correct spelling or grammar usage based on contextual clues. For a deeper dive into Word's proofing powers, you might want to check out the more comprehensive grammar checking tools available. You can access this by simply pressing the F7 key on your keyboard. Doing so will open the proofing options on the right side of your screen. Here, Word provides a list of potential issues alongside recommendations and even short explanations or rules to help you understand why something might be marked as incorrect. This is a more detailed way to catch any subtle errors that the automatic features might miss, especially useful for lengthy documents where a thorough review is necessary. By going through this process, you'll not only polish your document, but also learn a bit about the mechanics of English spelling and grammar along the way. And there you have it. You've now equipped yourself with some handy methods to ensure your documents are clean, professional, and polished. It's a straightforward process that can make a world of difference in the perception of your written communication. Remember, the goal is not just to hunt for corrections, but also to understand them, which can significantly enhance your writing skills over time. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful, and don't hesitate to dive into those settings to explore even more features that Microsoft Word has to offer when it comes to refining your documents.